This entire skill, the one that scans 6 data sources and writes a customer intelligence briefing, took about 5 minutes to build. No code. Let me show you what it does and why the way it works matters. Customer success and revenue teams are buried in signals. An email thread says one thing, Salesforce says another. A meeting happened, a linear ticket moved, a document changed, and nobody has time to reconcile all of it every day. Customer Pulse closes that gap. Give it a window like the last 24 hours, and it coordinates the knowledge base, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Salesforce CRM, and Linear. Then it turns that activity into one briefing your team can actually use. External touchpoints are sorted into active customers, prospects, and vendors. Urgent P0 and P1 issues surface as DEFCON alerts, with DEFCON Light signals where they matter. Then it identifies 3 to 6 trends across accounts, not just a pile of disconnected updates. Here's the actual unlock. Customer Pulse is a Markdown orchestration skill. The skill.md does not call APIs directly. It directs the existing operator skills already connected to your organization. Think of it like a control tower. Every source gets sent out at once, but the report does not get cleared for takeoff until every runway reports back with a real result or an explicit error. That matters. Still working is not a failure, but it is not permission to quietly skip a source either. Fast is useful. Complete or transparently incomplete is trustworthy. Now look at new Markdown skill details. You describe the behavior you want in plain language. Then, in new Markdown skill config, the clone creates the skill.md logic and supporting reference files. For Customer Pulse, that meant the orchestration logic, a Slack and Teams message template, and a branded HTML email template in about 5 minutes. I did not build a visual workflow. I described the outcome. The final output lands in 2 formats, side by side: a concise Slack or Teams briefing and an executive-ready HTML email with trends, DEFCON coverage, and a source footer showing exactly what was scanned. That is the operating model. Describe the intent clearly. Let the clone orchestrate the specialist tools already connected. Get a governed deliverable without engineering overhead. If you can describe what you want, we can build it in minutes. That's the whole point.